Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is protein count on a plant-based diet. So stay tuned through the video because I'm going to show you exactly what I ate on this day, and I'm going to have the breakdown of protein, fat, carbs, and calories as well. So I also have some clips from today's workout, so I'll show you that real quick. I started off with a set of weighted pull-ups, then I moved on to some weighted squats, and I strength train twice a week, full body, and I also do cardio twice a week. So this was a strength training day. Next, I did some hanging leg raises, and I just did one set of each move, but I went really hard on the set. Next up was leg press, and I do my workouts fasted, so this workout was at about 11 a.m., and I had just water throughout the morning. I hadn't had any food yet at this time. I'm not really hungry in the morning, so I like to do my workouts fasted. Then I did some bench press with this apparatus that I've never used before. I'm not sure what it's called, but it was really convenient. I enjoyed doing it. It was something different other than my push-ups, what I've been usually doing lately. Then I did a move where I get in push-up position and I walk my hands out and walk them back. I'm not sure what this is called, but it's a great move for the core. Then I did this leg thrust machine, which I've never done before, something different, so I enjoyed doing that. And then I did a set of weighted chin-ups. That way I get some bicep work in and another pull move. And that was my workout, so now I'm going to show you what I had for the day, and then at the end I'll have the total breakdown of the macronutrients and calories. Okay, so I just cooked up some oatmeal, and it's about 1:15 p.m., and I do practice intermittent fasting, so I'm just not hungry until around 1 o'clock because I like to work out at 11 a.m., so I just get hungry after my workout. So I'm going to have this oatmeal here. I got about 1.5 servings of oats, so it was about 3/4 cup dry. I cook it up on the stove. It's nice and moist when I do it that way. And I'm gonna be adding in some ingredients. So I have 1/3 cup of pecans. And I like usually putting some sort of nut in my oatmeal, nuts or seeds. And I've just really been on pecans lately for whatever reason. So sometimes I do walnuts, I've done almonds. But right now it's been pecans. So I got a good serving of pecans there. And I'm going to put a good scoop of brown sugar. No, I'm not scared to use some sugar. So I'm going to do that. Just a hair more. And then stir this around. So a lot of times I start my first meal either with fruit or with a smoothie or sometimes with oatmeal. But if I do oatmeal, I include fruit in there as well, for sure. So in the wintertime, it could be, I seem to be doing more oatmeal in the wintertime. All right, now I got some cacao powder and I'm almost out of it. I'll probably put about 1 tablespoon or so of cacao powder. And I also have some cinnamon. Throw that in there, a couple sprinkles. Stir that around. And then I'm gonna also add in an apple. This wasn't quite the whole apple, but I just now ate the other part of it. And I'm also gonna throw in some frozen blueberries. There we go. Nice big bowl of oatmeal. Mix that up a little bit. And then I'm gonna top it off with a splash of almond milk. There it is. So this is nice and convenient to have. I work from home, so I'll just hop back on my computer, get back to work while I munch on this. And then a little bit, about probably a couple hours or so, I'll get hungry again. So I'll be back with the next thing that I'll be eating today. Then at about 4 p.m. I got hungry again, so I had a bowl of Sumo Citrus. These are really good mandarins, and it was about 532 grams. Then about 6 o'clock, I had a salad. It had mixed greens, about 1/2 a large avocado, cucumber, and some pumpkin seeds. Then finished off dinner at 7 p.m. I had some prunes, a large bowl of homemade vegetable soup, and a few pieces of toasted sourdough bread. Then for dessert, I had a can of Tropical Gold pineapple, some seasoned almonds, and a Cliff Bar. It was a total of 2,834 calories, 373 grams of net carbs, 61 grams of fiber, 100 grams of fat, and 67 grams of protein. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.